What's good, YouTube? It's your boy JG21 here. Welcome back to another video. Now, if you guys haven't seen yesterday's video of the rival Charger, you guys can go check out that video. But first, you might want to check out this video, because today we're doing a review on the Nerf Fornite SMG-E. The SMG-E is a recreation of the SMG from Fortnite. It's a semi-automatic magazine-fed blaster, similar to the Strife, basically, a Strife reskin. So on the front of the box, you get a picture of the blaster, a couple skins from Fortnite, 6 elite darts it comes with. Side says Nerf times Fortnite, same here. And on the top, and on the back, it shows you everything that it comes with and how it works, and other blasters and accessories you can collect, such as some of the micro shot blasters. We have the Micro Llama. We have the Micro RL, but it's in a yellow color scheme. And we have the Micro HCE. And then the ARL. And then apparently you could get a clip and darts pack. It looks like a 12 dart clip, I think. 12 dart magazine. And yeah, that's the box. Let's go ahead, open up this blaster and see what we got. Okay, so included is the blaster itself, a unique 6-dart clip, 6 Fortnite darts, and the instructions. So, this is the blaster itself. Definitely looks accurate to what's in Fortnite. We're going to go over the externals of this blaster, starting up in the front. There is no end strike attachment lug, so you cannot put on barrel extensions. There is no tactical rails up here, but here we have what seems to be a sight. Here it's got some spikes up here. And up here is the jam door. So if you have a jam, you could just get your finger in there and just clear out the jam. It's kind of similar to the Strife, I guess. And then here, I guess we have another sight, if you would even call this a sight, I guess. In the front it says Nerf, and it says Fortnite here. It's purple because it says SMG-E, which is the epic version of this. And on the back, nothing too special. This is where you would put in the battery piece. It takes 4 AA batteries. And over here is your rev switch, and then your trigger to fire. And then here is the magazine release. So you put in the magazine, and then to take it out, you just put your finger here and take it out, exactly how you would with the Strife. I have a Strife with me right now, as you can see. Exactly the same, so you just put your finger there and take it out. If you compare these two, they're almost the same size. This one, the hand cannon's like a little, not a hand cannon, the SMG is a little bit bigger than the Strife, but basically the same concept. Another Strife reskin, basically, a semi-automatic flywheel blaster. And yeah, I like the magazine that it comes with. It is very, very unique. It's got like a red band on it, and it's a gray magazine. So that's pretty cool. And yeah, that's basically an overview of the blaster. Now, let me see if it can do the same thing. So, alright, so if we open up the jam door, the feeding mechanism is still kind of the same as in the Strife. Like, the darts would just, like, push in through here into the flywheels. And, yeah. Because, like, here, it's the exact same thing with the Strife. Here. Yeah, I don't know if you can see that, but same deal with the Strife as well. So, this is definitely a Strife reskin. And yeah, so that's basically an overview of the blaster. We're going to go ahead, put in some batteries, and we'll go from there. Alright, batteries are in. Let's see how it sounds. Turn on the mic real quick. I think it's a little louder than the Strife. Let me see. Yeah, just like about. Alright, well, since this is a 6-star clip, shouldn't take me that long to load these. We're gonna go ahead, load up this magazine, and then we are going to do a quick firing demo. Fully loaded clip. Put it in here. And let's see how it fires. Is alright. I do have 6 more darts here because I was going to do something else with it, but that first firing demo didn't really seem good. But let's go ahead and just try and do it again. I think there might be something wrong with the mag, maybe. It's not like cooperating, if you would say that, but let's go ahead and try it again. There you go. Definitely does shoot the same as a Strife would. Like the same exact, it's literally the same exact thing as a Strife. It shoots semi-automatic, shoots at the same speed. It's semi-automatic, takes 4 AA batteries. Yeah, pretty much the same. SMG-E is the same thing as a Strife, just without any barrel attachment lugs, tactical rails, or stock attachment points. And yeah. That's pretty much it for this video. I do really like the look and feel of this blaster. Like, it definitely looks accurate to the game. So, and yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. So I hope you guys like this video. Comment, subscribe. Check out all my other videos at JG21. Check out the last 2 videos I posted, which was the rival takedown and the charger. Make sure you follow me on my social media links. I'll put those in the description box below. I'll leave a link to where you could buy this blaster from in the description box below in case you guys are interested. And I'll see you guys next time. Peace.